Yeah, just got home from kicking it with the homies. I ain't gonna lie. Coming home to just emptiness. No female, a woman to like next to or nowhere to go where you can lay next to and cuddle up to someone. Um, it's rough. It gets to you, you know. From time to time. Like it was cool when I was in a relationship. Like at least it was someone to come home to. It's really hard to get used to that. Um, just be intimate with someone, you know. Um, it's been I don't know how long, like few years, few years since I really like had that, and it's rough, and it's like this single life was not something that I really planned on enjoying. I never did. That's why I wanted to be in a relationship. Like I want to be in one now. It's not like I need it, but it is lonely. Um, you know, I'm not used to it, but I'm used to it. Like now, like I know that's just how it's gonna be until I don't know. I don't know how long it's gonna be that way. Um, my ex-wife, of course, she found her a boyfriend. Go figure, right? Because she couldn't be by herself at all. Like it was lies being told to me. You know, she's not looking, blah blah blah. Then pops up with somebody, but whatever. It's it's rough, man. It's sad. It really is. I just want one to be with, to come home to, and everything, and to just be my stress reliever. You know what I mean? I've been doing everything by myself, and it's sad. It's really sad. And grinding this hard by myself, and like I got a goal that I want to accomplish, but like a female would be nice. Would be nice. Uh, yeah. I'm just all these videos are just me venting and my frustrations, my sadness, my just venting out to everyone. I kind of really don't want to be single anymore. Never wanted to be single to begin with, but I did what I needed to do in order to heal as much as I can within the amount of time that it's been. And this is where I'm at. You know, it's cool having my own space. It's nice, my own law. But I don't know. I don't know when that's gonna end. This is gonna end, but hopefully soon, because this is just not it. Just know this what y'all gonna be going through. At least some of y'all gonna be going through. I just thought I'd get on here and share that. Probably finna maybe make some food or something and go to sleep, but I hope everyone's doing well. Anyone's going through the same situation, similar situation, just be strong. Don't give up. Don't stop advancing yourself, because you need to always advance yourself. Don't let something, anything, stop you from doing what you need to do. Because I'm not. I'm in school. Class actually starts tomorrow. 2 classes. And all I can do is keep my focus on moving up. Got a promotion at work. Moving up. And this degree, this associate's degree I've been working on, I'm moving up. Because no matter how sad I am now, one thing for sure is I will not give up on me. Others gave up on me, but I can't give up on me. I give up on me. That is the end of my life. Because if you give up on yourself, you're not looking forward to anything. So yeah, I'm stop boring y'all with this, and go ahead and go to sleep. Subscribe if you want to. Alright, y'all. Time for me to just end this.